Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entri, India's best application and best YouTube channel to crack any of the government exam. I, Deepmani Bhardwaj, welcomes you all again, and today we'll be having discussion on the State Bank of India's notification that is released today, that is on 27th July 2020. So SBI has released notification for circle based officers. Now what is the notification about? What is the eligibility criteria? What all are the vacancies? What would be salary part? We'll be discussing each and everything. So let's start with it. Now, State Bank of India's CBO's notification 2020. Let's discuss the important dates of it. The application of its starting is 27th July 2020. That is, its application has started today itself. And up to when you can fill this form? You can fill this form up till 16th of August 2020. And the last date for printing its application is 31st August 2020. So in short, if we say your online fee payment will start from today, that is 27th July, and it will go on up till 16th of August 2020. Now let's discuss about its vacancy part. See, SBI has given vacancies according to its circle. As the notification itself says that it is about the circle based officer, so State Bank of India circle based officer vacancy 2020 circle wise is given as following. For the circle of Ahmedabad, that is in the state of Gujarat, for SC candidates you are having 112 seats, for ST 56 seats, for OBC 202 seats, for economically weaker section 75, for general 305, that is in total there are 750 seats. Similarly, for Bengaluru circle, that is in the state of Karnataka, you are having 112 seats for SC, 56 for ST, 202 for OBC, 75 for EWS, 305 for general, and in totality there are 750 seats in Bengaluru as well. For the Bhopal circle, we will divide it into two different states. First, let's discuss about the MP, that is Madhya Pradesh. There are 44 seats for SC, 22 for ST, 79 for OBC, 29 for economically weaker section, 122 for general, that is total 296 seats are there. For the Chhattisgarh part, you are having 15 seats for SC, 7 for ST, 28 for OBC, 10 for EWS, 40 for general, that is total 104 for the Chhattisgarh part. Similarly, for Chennai part, that is Tamil Nadu, you are having a total number of 550 seats. Similarly, at Hyderabad, you are having 150 seats again. For the Jaipur, that is in Rajasthan, you will be having total number of 300 seats. Again, I'll say this is, we are talking about the circle. For the Maharashtra circle, where for Maharashtra, excluding Mumbai part, there are total of 517 seats. For the Goa, there are total number of 33 seats. That is, in totality, there are 3,850 seats. So, total number of vacancies that are there is 3,850. Fine. So, let's discuss about its eligibility criteria now. For the eligibility criteria, the only thing that is required is your graduation, and the relevant experience is asked, that we'll discuss in the later slide. Fine. So the first thing that is required is graduation. For the age limit, if we talk about, you must not be over 30 years as on 1st of August 2020. Fine. Candidates must not be born earlier than 2nd of August 1990. For the age relaxation part, for SC and ST candidates, you will be having the relaxation of 5 years in age. For other OBC, that is for the non-creamy layer, you will be having age relaxation of 3 years. For persons with disabilities, that is PWD section, for SC and ST candidates, you will be having a age relaxation of 15 years. For PWD OBC, you are having the age relaxation of 13 years, and similarly for person with disabilities of general and EWS section, you will be having age relaxation of 10 years. So these are the eligibility criteria. Now one more thing that is required is the relevant work experience, And here minimum of 2 years of experience is asked as an officer in any scheduled commercial bank or any regional rural bank, that is RRB. Fine. But when are they calculating the 2 years of experience? You must have completed the 2 years of experience as on 1st of August 2020. So this is the relevant work experience that is asked. Now let's move on to the salary part. Coming on to the salary part, initial enrollment of selected candidates would be on scale of JMGS 1, that is Junior Management Grade Scale 1. At the start of the scale, that is 23,700 plus 1 increment for each completed year of service rendered in officer cadre in scheduled commercial bank and regional rural bank as on 1st of August 2020. So this would be our salary part. But there are some terms and conditions which you must understand, and those important are: the candidate will have to apply, the candidate would have to apply for the vacancy of one state only. A candidate applying against the vacancy of one state will not be eligible to apply against the vacancy of another state. It is very important point, please remember that. Second point is that candidature of the applicant will be considered only against the vacancies in the state for which he or she has applied or opted. Merit list will be drawn on state wise or category wise. Third point is, selected candidates will be posted in the circle of that state against whose vacancies they are selected. And the last point is, the selected candidates will not be entitled to inter-circle transfer up to his or her promotion to SMGS, that is Senior Management Grade Scale 4. Fine. So these are important points that you must keep in your mind. And the last thing is that candidate applying for the vacancies of state have to produce their 10th and 12th standard mark sheet or certificate evidencing having studied the specific local language of the applied state as one of the subjects. The thing is that if you are working in any of the state and if you are not knowledgeable about that local language, then it's quite a difficult one task, isn't it? If someone comes and discusses you with his own regional language, and if you are not aware about that language, then it would be a quite difficult part, isn't it? So they are asking about the knowledge of the regional part as well. So it would be better that you must have the knowledge of the region for which you are applying. Fine. So these all were the important points about the vacancies of State Bank of India's circle based officer that is released today, that is on 27th July 2020. So these all were the important points. Thanking you for watching this video. But before that, we are providing you daily free quiz which would be acting as your rank booster quiz. So please attempt those live quizzes which we are giving at 10 a.m. daily, where there are 15 questions and which are of 15 minutes. So you're going to get this quiz in the link that is given in the description. Please go through the description and follow the quiz so that you can boost up your rank and get selected in the first attempt itself. Kindly like this video. Comment section is available for you for any kind of doubt regarding our vacancies or regarding anything, because our experts are always ready for you. So please do comment, please share this video and like it. Thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.